Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 5, Day 4. Listen carefully. I'm going to say a word, bun. Now I'm going to repeat the word and add the sound ch to the end. So bun, ch, bunch. Let's do some more words. Pinch, pinch. Ranch, inch, wrench, punch, branch. Okay, now these are a review. We've been practicing digraphs this week once again, and so I'll give you 3 seconds and then I'll say it. 3, 2, 1, benches. 3, 2, 1, lunches. 3, 2, 1, patches. 3, 2, 1, dishes. 3, 2, 1, bunches. Oh, whoops. That's okay. 3, 2, 1, inches. 3, 2, 1, wishes. 3, 2, 1, sketches. Okay, so what you'll notice is when it has a TCH, an SH, or a CH at the end, we have to add ES. Okay, let's blend this. 3, 2, 1, catch. Change the K to H, hatch. Change the H to L, latch. Change the L to match. Change the to P, patch. Change the A to I, pitch. Change the P to D, ditch. Change the D to H, hitch. Get rid of the H, so cover it up with your hand. Itch. And then add an N right here. Inch. And then put a P here, so pinch. And then change the I to a, punch. Change the P to H, hunch. Change the H to O, lunch. Change the O to munch. Change the to cur, crunch. Okay, nice job. Okay, so we are going to do the first top together, then we'll take turns. Okay, here we go. Itch, word, itch. Whiff, word, whiff. Chop, word, chop. Okay, now we'll take turns. Your turn first. 3, 2, 1, rich. And together, ill, chill. Your turn. Look at our digraph. 3, 2, 1, graph. Okay, we'll do this one together. Is, word, whiz, or whiz, because most of us say it whiz, but it's supposed to be wha. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, much. We'll do this one together. Atch, word, catch. I'll give you 3 seconds for this one. 3, 2, 1, bunch. Okay, we'll do this one together. Est, word, chest. And your turn. 3, 2, 1, branch. So you have a blend here and a digraph at the end. Okay, so these last ones are for you to do in your head. So remember, friends, that the goal is for you to be able to look at it, think it, say it without making the sounds out loud. Now if you still need to make the sounds, that's okay. But just remember that eventually our goal is to be able to do it in our head. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds to say it before I do. 3, 2, 1, ship. 3, 2, 1, chip. 3, 2, 1, clip. 3, 2, 1, thin. 3, 2, 1, chin. 3, 2, 1, chimp. 3, 2, 1, thank. Remember, A-N-K is ank. so that one's a little tricky. It's not thank. 3, 2, 1, dish. 3, 2, 1, crunch. 3, 2, 1, which, like which one. 3, 2, 1, thing. 3, 2, 1, chunk. Okay, here are our high frequency words for the week. Whoops, let me go back up. 5 times. Around, 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 around. The top spins around. Bye, 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 bye. I sat by Chad at lunch. Many, 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 many. Many kids like to run. Place, 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 place. This is a good place to sit. And really quickly, I'm going to talk about this one. We have a blend, PL. We have super E, which makes it say its name. The E tickles the A to say its own name, A. Play, and then we have sneaky C. Sneaky C wants to be an S, so it says S. So it's place. Okay. Next, AL says ah, so it's w, ah, k. Okay, 5 times. Walk, 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 walk. Walk with me. Okay, here's our story for today, okay? Let's read some of it. We'll read this page together. Phil and Steph get lost. Okay, here are words we'll see. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, want. 3, 2, 1, for. 3, 2, 1, they. 3, 2, 1, walk. 3, 2, 1, around. 3, 2, 1, are. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, many. 3, 2, 1, buy. 3, 2, 1, my. 3, 2, 1, use. Okay, so let's look for some digraphs. I see PH says F and PH again. So you go first, then we'll do it together. Ready? Begin. Phil and Steph get lost. Okay, let's look for those digraphs. I see F, F, F. That's it. So you go first. Ready? Begin. Phil and Steph want to get to a math class. It is for fun. They can run fast. So there they go. They're going to run really fast. Okay, let's look for some more of our digraphs. I see F, F. I see our sight word around. F, F, F. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. You go first. Okay, to get ready, begin. Phil and Steph walk around a block. Phil tells Steph, stop. Phil did not bring a map. They are lost. Okay, let's look for our digraphs. We have and then sh, sh, and so a lot of digraphs in this one. Okay, you go first, then we'll do it together. Together, ready, begin. Phil can see a map. It can tell them many things. Which shop is this? That shop is by my math class, Phil tells Steph. So it looks like they're finding where they need to go. Let's look for some digraphs. Sh. So lots of digraphs. Okay, you go first, then we'll do it together. Together, ready, begin. Steph can see a shop. It has a graph in it. Steph tells Phil, this must be for math class. Okay, let's look for our digraphs. We have f, wh, f. Let's see. Wh. Okay, your turn first, then we'll read together. Together, ready, begin. Phil is a math quiz. But Phil must get a map. Then, when he gets lost, he can use it. Okay, friends, thanks for reading that with me. Now, we're used to knowing that if there's an X, an S, or a double S, we add ES. Today we're practicing when we add an SH, a CH, or a TCH, we also have to add ES. Because if I don't, let's read this word. This is branch. If I don't add the ES, it's branchs. Branchs. Does that make sense? No. So branch becomes branches. Oh, I see TCH. That's going to be ES. Batch becomes batches. That means more than one. Dress becomes dresses, more than one. Okay, so let's do some of these. Now this time it's a, let's look at the last sound and see if we need to add ES. X, do we add ES? If you said yes, good job. Boxes. Do you see CH? Do we add ES? Yes, we do. Bunch becomes bunches. Do you see SH? Yep. Should we add the ES? If you said yes, you're right. Brushes. Okay, here's patch. Do we add ES? Do you see TCH? Yes, then we need to add ES. It becomes patches. Last one for this part. I have S. Should I add ES? If you said yes, that's correct. Messes. So remember, when it's X, S, or double S, we add ES at the end to show more. If I have CH, TCH, ch, ch, or sh, I also have to add ES to show it's more than one. Okay? Okay, let's talk about irregular plurals. So remember, an irregular plural is a word that changes entirely. So instead of saying woman, we say, instead of saying, let me try a different one. Instead of saying child to childs, we have to say child to children. We changed it. Instead of saying woman to womans, we go woman to women. Now I'm going to show you two that are a bit different. Okay, there we see a lot of moose. The moose stays moose. Okay, so these are rule breakers. Okay, wait, or is it meese? I'm gonna have to look that up. I'll get back to you on that. But I did want to talk about ox. So an ox is like an animal that used to pull a wagon. They're kind of like cows, but they're not. So ox does not become oxes, it becomes oxen. You just have to know it changes. Irregular plural. Let's look at another one. Goose becomes geese. It's not geese, it's not gooses, it's geese. Okay, really quickly, we have 30 seconds. Let's find the correct noun. Two blanks sit at the desk. 2 man or men. If you said men, you are correct. 3 women or woman run around the block. If you said women, the E, you're correct. I have 2 hands and 2 foot or feet. If you said feet, you are correct. Last of all, 6 children play on the swings. If you said children, you are correct. Okay, bye everyone. See you tomorrow.